Today we're gonna do a multi-pitch. Nick is super excited. I'm a little bit nervous, not gonna lie, but the weather's really nice today and we're gonna go with a bunch of friends. There's 6 of us and I'm gonna try and film. Multi-pitches are really hard to film. I'll try and film as much as I can. Let's do this. I'm just waiting for my turn to go down. We're gonna climb all the way down. I mean, slide on our butts all the way down and then climb back up this mountain. This is it. All the way back up to the top.
Such a beautiful fucking day.
Last pitch. Hi! We finished our multi-pitch and it all went really smoothly.
Hi, multi-pitch went well. Nice surprise for Amanda, who's been traumatized by her previous experience.
And we're gonna abseil all the way back down to the bottom and do another read.
Come over on Anne's rope, just tie a figure out in the bight. Get blade over. Yeah.
Alright, we're halfway through, what's the climb called? It's a very easy route. We finished the 3rd pitch. And then these are the other ones coming up. And this is the view behind me. Very expensive. Alright, we're going to start leading the next one.
This route is very good. Yeah, it's like for something easy, it's like really nice. Nice, dude.